Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. Today we will discuss the unit number 3, which is a very important and interesting unit from this subject, from this course. The name of the unit is maintenance and condition monitoring. We have divided this unit in two parts. So unit number 3A is the maintenance and unit number 3B is the condition monitoring. So let's go to the today's interested topic. So you can see this is the picture of the toolbox. So might be you heard the word before, the technician, electrical technician. So that electrical technician carries one toolbox with him. Yes. Now, what are the things present inside the toolbox? One can say that if the electrical technician is doing the maintenance or is taking care of the electrical equipment, so in his toolbox there is a, you can say, the cutters are there. One can say there is a tong tester is there which measures the amount of current. There is a tester is available. Yes. Again, that person carries sometimes the pliers also, so to open the you can say the nut and bolts of that particular electrical motor or somewhat. So this toolbox is necessary for every technician, so that technician can do the work of electrical or can do the work of mechanical, so no doubt. So this is we are interested today, that is called the maintenance. Now, what is the maintenance? So this definition is very important, and by knowing this definition you can consider this as maintenance involves fixing any sort of mechanical or electrical devices which has become out of order or broken. So that is called the maintenance. So it means what? So we are interested to do the maintenance of the electrical equipment. So if we are fixing any sort of mechanical or electrical devices which has become out of order or broken. So let's say, consider the case of electrical fan. If that fan or electrical fan became a failure, so the function of the electrical fan is defined or is fixed to circulate the air, but by some means it is not working properly, it is not circulating the air properly, so it means it is out of order or sometimes it is failure. So one can say that if the electrical equipment is broken or if the electrical equipment is undergone into the failure state, then one can do the maintenance. So this is the definition in for the maintenance. Yes. Now it also includes performing the routine actions which keep the device in working order or to prevent trouble from arising. So one can say that we can perform the routine actions. What do you mean by routine actions? Might be in your house, or the old persons or the grandfathers and mothers, grandmothers are there, and they are doing some routine test. After period of time, they are doing some routine test of blood or routine test of urine. So what does it mean? They are checking themselves if they are fit or not. Yes, as per the direction received by the doctor. Yes, and if there is they have found any difficulty in their report, so they can contact to their doctor. So same way, if we are interested to do the maintenance, so we have to make some routine actions or a routine plan. So that persons, those who are in the maintenance work, they are having the checklist with them. So by checking the connections, the connections are loose or not, so they are making the ticks. Yes, and this checklist they are pasting near to the electrical equipment, and one copy they are keeping themselves. So I hope you understood this performing routine actions. Maintenance is the procedure of finding the faults in equipment, machinery, and also the removal of faults. Now, let's say if the electrical equipment is undergone into the failure state. Now, there is a reason why that electrical equipment is undergone into the failure. Yes, because of some fault which is arise inside that electrical equipment that is responsible to develop that failure state inside that electrical equipment. So, we have to finding out the fault first, and after finding out the fault, we have to remove the fault also. So you can say that, you can assume that these maintenance people are very necessary inside any industry. Just keep in mind, every industry needs the maintenance persons, because that company or the industry is having the number of electrical equipments or number of mechanical equipments, and after a period of time they have to do the maintenance routine checks for that particular electrical equipment. Yes, again, it may be before the breakdown or after the breakdown. So it means that maintenance can be before the breakdown, can be before the failure, or after the breakdown or after the failure. So one can assure that before the breakdown, what is the importance of maintenance? So it increases the life of that particular electrical equipment. So if we are doing the maintenance regularly for that electrical equipment, so it means that that electrical equipment has less probability to undergone into the failure state. So that is a before. Yes, but no doubt after doing the maintenance also some equipments are there which gone into the state of failure. So because of that bad luck, let's say. Yes, so this is called as a after failure we have to do the maintenance. Yes, I hope you understood the definition of the maintenance. In the next class we will discuss the maintenance definition as per IEEE. Thank you. God bless you all.